Turn Notion into a powerful AI daily planner. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn Notion into a powerful AI daily planner that organizes your entire day using smart automation. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Open your Notion workspace and create a new page titled AI Daily Planner. Use the template button and insert a to-do list, calendar view, and a daily journal section to structure your day. Now head over to the Notion AI Assistant by clicking the sparkle icon and ask it to create a personalized morning routine based on your goals. Next, ask the AI to plan your top 3 priorities for the day and break them into smaller, actionable tasks. Use the /reminder command to add time-based alerts for each task so you stay on track throughout the day. Enable database filters to show only today's tasks in your dashboard, making your view. At the end of the day, use AI again to summarize your daily progress and help you reflect. That's all for the video. These are the steps to turn Notion into a powerful AI daily planner. Try this setup and turn your Notion into an AI-powered planner that actually keeps you productive.